me unbox it, because then when I decide to wrap it, this thing won't be in my way. So we're just gonna unbox it, and then we're just gonna put it back in, and then wrap it up in a Christmas ornaments. Yeah, basically. So this is a Google Home Mini. I'm just gonna unbox it, and then I'm gonna unbox this one for the next. So I hope I can actually rebox this. Can I rebox it? I don't know how you unbox it. Oh, this is how. Lovely, Google. Forgive me, this is really insane. As you know, while I was waiting for this bonus to kick off, oh, there it is. So this is it. This is what it looks like. This is the Google Home. Small, it's compatible. I got a tricolor one because I don't know what color people likes. That's the best way to do it. If you don't want to get a pink or white one, you can get a black one because a tricolor, then you can do it. Directions, let's get started. The cables. Oh gosh, what the hell? The cable ports, you charge it, you do all kinds of stuff. The directions, I really don't want to take any of all this out because I'm going to use this box for this. I don't know what's inside here. Is there anything in here? Oh no, of course not. Of course, they just wanted me to take this out for a reason. Got a little packaging. So this is the perfect one for the holidays. It's Google Home Mini, where you can plug in, you can tap, you can say okay Google, and then there you go. I really don't want to say that because my luck, I'll probably do that. And this is the cable that plugs into it. So I'm just gonna plug this back and that finally. So this is perfect for the holidays to get started. The Google Home Mini is the most perfect one you could ever find for your Christmas gifts. I got this for my mother because, well, she tends to forget a lot of things, and Google Home Mini is also a great reminder tool for those who forget a lot of things. You can just say, okay Google, I think I can't remember where I put whatchamacallit or whatever. It can trace your steps from buried things. Because I love this technology. I didn't really want to get the Apple Siri one, the Apple one, because it's way expensive than the Google one. This only cost me $25 on B&H Photo. So if you are out there wanting to get something for your mom or your dad or your family, get this for $25 on B&H Photo. It is most affordable gift on this planet. I will have a link in the description. The link. Okay? Google Home Mini. Google Home Mini is small and it's mighty.